Oh, do you want to be in it?
No.
Okay, come over here. Come over here.
Oh.
It's time to replace my mirror that was broken from the port, or it arrived broken, whatever. It was broken when I got it. Time to replace it. I got a new one, a bunch of new goodies. I'm gonna take this out. And there we go. We have a brand new mirror. This cover needs to come off. You can just pry it with your hand, it looks like. I think. Yeah, it's just like it's a pop thing on the bottom. It looks like a pop thing, I don't know, because it's a pop thing up here. Okay. Let me roll the... See, it looks like a clip. Yeah, it's just a clip. I'm gonna break it, aren't I?
You want me to do it?
Take a gander.
So there's a pop somewhere?
Look at it.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna get my face.
Do you want one of those like pry tools? The pry tool might be better than our fingers.
I think that's a good idea. Yeah, I got something.
I don't know. I got these things.
Oh, yeah, let me. Wait, no, don't do it all at the same time. Hold on. Okay, you want to do that side?
Yeah, same time.
Okay. No, it's a good idea, man. No, it's not a good idea. I got something coming out a little bit at one point.
Oh, I see. I think I see what you did.
Yeah, you see what I did?
Maybe we have to poke it.
Yeah,
like
that's what
push
I was
the
thinking.
tabs in.
That's what I was thinking. Push the tab in, and I'll pull it out when you've pushed it.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Oh, you got it?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Or
Nice. Got
there
it.
you go.
Woohoo! Nothing broken. Yay, teamwork.
This is what it looks like. See, you got to press the tabs in.
Yeah.
And it kind of shrinks it in.
Yep.
See, what's amazing is whenever I pull these cars apart,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter what the part is. It could be something like this.
Mm-hmm.
It could be the whole mirror. It could be any plastic molding, whatever. Everything is made in Japan.
Nice. That's cool.
Like I've never found any non-Japanese stuff. I mean, like the OEM
Everything is
stuff.
made in-
If you buy like this, they don't make. Yeah, they don't make. Everything's in country. So this one
Pretty cool.
is not an original. The original ones say Subaru on them.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, these are Subarus?
This one's a Subaru. So this one is a
maybe
non-Subaru,
franchise.
and this one's already been replaced with the same one. Yeah. So now we can unscrew this thing and just screw this one back on. Yeah, what kind of screws is it?
It's across. It's
a Phillips head.
Yeah,
Perfect.
Phillips. It's the word. It's like T. Not the T. The cross.
Across the hatch, whatever. This one might be too big.
Maybe. Let's see.
It's too fat.
Hold on. I just want to see if I can fit it in. Yeah.
Yeah, I
it's
can
too
see you
fat.
rotating.
It's too fat.
Alright, so there are 3 screws.
Tiny. Oh, this doesn't fit that well.
It doesn't fit, then don't use it. Don't use it.
Okay.
Because I gave you a JIS screwdriver.
Oh.
Alright.
I think Chris calls it the jinx in me. Whoops. It's this way, right? Yeah.
Left. So that's a number 2 Phillips that we need.
It's going right.
Just unscrew all the bolts. Alright, take it out.
Piece is coming out. Doing, 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 doing. Oops. It's kind of annoying because it's loose. Okay. Actually, if you push it in this way, then I can just...
Yeah, so you can pull it out. Yep.
There we go.
Take this out. This looks exactly like the other one, except so I need to replace this. They gave me a new gasket piece.
Lovely.
Did it blow away or is it in here?
I
Oh, there
think
it
it's
is.
in here, yeah.
So we're gonna have to take this
Okay.
and
New piece.
slip it into that. Other way.
Like...
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, you got the mirror? I'm gonna let go.
Yes, I got
So you can force it through the holes.
Okay, hold on.
See, they just kind of pushed it through.
Okay. All right. All the way down?
All the way down, like this one.
Ah, got it. Okay, cool. Oh, I see. I see. I see. It was on this. I thought it was gonna be on this side.
Yeah.
It was not the.
So I'll hold it.
Absorb.
You want me to hold it? Or you
Hold
want
on.
to
Let me just make sure it's flush. It doesn't seem like it's sticking out a little bit. It's not perfectly flush. Is that gonna be a problem? Or maybe it's supposed to be like that. Is it flush enough? It seems kind of weird.
I think we can do that.
Just push it all the way in. Okay. All right.
Is that one all the way flush?
Yeah, it's flush.
It's just maybe this one is because it's a repro. It's not the same.
Oh
Yeah, we can do
yeah,
that.
I think it's just so we're just gonna do that.
Yeah.
Okay, in that case, I'm gonna make it nice because this is not.
Oh.
Sorry. All right, good enough, I guess. This piece. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be. All right, well, I guess we'll hopefully water won't get in.
Yeah. So what's really cool about this truck is everything is painted red. It's even red inside. Well, I guess that's where the overspray goes in through the hole.
Actually, this makes me kind of nervous because this one, do you see how, like, it should be okay, right? It's okay.
It should be
It
fine.
should be fine. All right, I'm overthinking it. Okay.
Yeah, it's just to kind of keep water out.
Okay. Ah!
Ah!
Everything falling! Okay.
Okay, so I'll hold the mirror.
All right, thank you. Stick this through.
Yeah. Oh, no, don't stick that through.
All
Put
right,
my
never
thing
mind.
through first.
Oh, you've got a thing on the...
My holes go through first.
Hold on. Sorry.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. I goofed.
No.
Hold on, where's the...
I got it.
Oh, you did. Okay, you did grab it. Okay, good job.
All right. Now I'm so excited because I can actually see what's going on behind me.
It does not line up perfectly. So can you let go for a
Oh,
second?
you got to make it go up or down?
It's got to move.
Forward, tilt it.
No, hold on.
Yeah, I see it.
see it?
Like this.
No, it's still not.
All right, you move it however you need it, and I'll hold it.
Yeah. Okay, hold that. Hopefully this will be enough.
Once you get the screws started, it'll be fine. We'll
That's
sort
true.
it out after.
Ooh, that's tight. Okay, it's good enough. It's just enough clearance.
Is it just that hole?
I think the other ones are fine. They're all this one. I'll just push it a little bit down here.
Yeah. I'm just holding it so it doesn't fall out and fall on the
I
ground.
appreciate that.
I've done that before.
That's not good, especially with a mirror. What is that?
I've done it
7
with...
years bad luck if you break a mirror?
Is it? I don't
I
know.
don't know. I think that's the superstition anyway.
I don't believe in that stuff.
I don't either, but it's just funny.
It's bad luck. It's all bad luck anyways.
Okay, so that one's in there. I'm just doing it to hold it in place before we tighten. Oh, that one's...
All right, it's not going to fall out. Can I go to the
Yeah,
other side?
yeah.
I'm going to inspect how it aligned on this side. Oh, this side. You know how we tucked in the gasket?
Yeah.
They didn't do that one.
Should we pull it out?
No, it's fine. It's just,
Sure?
it's better that way.
Okay.
So this one, it looks a little sloppy.
I see, okay. She wasn't sure if that was going to affect this one.
So alignment doesn't seem to matter as long as it's kind of in there. So
right.
from what I can tell, we're already doing better than the other side. I got this thing snugged in. Now I can actually see what's going on behind me, because I had a lot of difficulty just looking with one mirror. Because the rear view mirror looks straight out the back, and right now I have 4 tires back there, so I definitely can't see anything behind me. Not that I could before anyways.
There we go. We actually
popped it
went in
on?
a lot easier than...
Going in is always easier.
All right, there we go.
All right, so we did one thing here. That's cool.
Cool. Excellent.
Now, I bought a battery cover.
Ooh,
This
it
is-
looks like a mask. Like, oh, like, no, I mean...
Oh, you want to do it?
Oh, scary.
Okay.
You can do it too if you want. I know.
Ooh, Halloween. It's too early for that.
No, it's not. It's never too early for Halloween. That's still recording.
So, I need a bolt that goes in here.
Do you have the right size?
I don't know what size it is.
Ah,
I might have one, but I
we
don't
can
know.
look around. Oh, that doesn't look like it's gonna fit.
It's supposed to fit. It's the OEM accessory.
Okay, that's a really weird...
What's going on there? It's the lower hole is giving me issues. Uh-oh, now I'm just stuck. Okay.
You okay? Oh, I see.
This hole. So the bottom hole. Oh.
Nice. Try.
it-
No?
it does- oh, am I going? No. This is how it's supposed to go. So I just had some problems lining this
Oh,
up.
I see. Okay.
So let's try again.
Okay. Oh, I've been recording the whole time, so
You are?
yeah. Am I not supposed to be?
Oh, you can be. All right. When in doubt, just force it in.
It's
There
not
we
the
go.
best lesson.
There we go.
There we go. Nice. Excellent.
I should have checked what the bolt size was. Right?
Yeah, you should have. That's why I was asking.
Yeah.
What happens when you don't listen to me?
Yeah. I was listening.
Oh, okay. Where are you now?
I need screws. I have screws inside. It was an M8. I'm using one of these ones. I think it's too long for this, but it'll work. There's space for it. It's a really big bolt to hold this thing down. All right. Now I have a cool battery cover.
Woohoo!
It looks a little bit more legit where it's not like just an open battery hanging out. But wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more.
Some tools.
Oh, what the? What is that? Looks like some sort of weird sickle.
I'm looking for the tool that can go here. Is it this one?
Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
That's a tool? Oh, interesting. Oh, when you say tool, you mean like a tool on the...
Oh, it's not the same one.
Oh, no. Wait, no, hold on. Maybe it...
Oh, this way. No.
Well, no, what if you just do this? Could you just not, like this?
Well, it's going to fall out when I'm driving down the road.
Oh.
And it'll make all kinds of racket.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Alas. Okay, so when you said tools, you meant like firefighting tools.
Yeah.
You were not specific. Where did you get these tools from? They are like really old-timey. Like they look old-timey.
Because they are old-timey.
Ah. The question is, where do they go?
Yes, they don't go on my truck. Is where they go.
What is this? Like stab something with it? Like
I think it's like a flat screwdriver.
Oh, okay.
I was
Interesting.
hoping it was long enough to
Oh,
go
where did
here.
you get these then if these didn't go with your truck?
Well, I found firefighting tools on Yahoo Auctions.
Oh, all right. Well, okay.
But like, what are these?
I mean, I don't
What
know.
are these things?
I don't. What is that? It looks like some kind of weird sickle.
It looks like some sort of a rack. If you had them all lined up.
Oh, maybe like this way.
Yeah, but it's not, like I said, it's not for this truck.
Yeah.
So I bought them for nothing. Right?
Hey.
No, that's cool.
No, I know.
This is gonna go.
They're cool though. They look so old timey.
They are old.
Like cool decorations. Goodbye, tools.
Goodbye, tools. Goodbye.
For now. Goodbye for now. Sleep well.
Okay.
Oh, I can't wait to go on this truck. Okay, here we go. Let's go.
I also got this nice Y fitting. Does it fit here? Oh yeah, there we go. Looking legit. I don't think this is what was actually there just because of how this is scraped. Like what you can see scrapes and stuff from this guy. It's almost exact to this thing. So this is a little bit different. But whatever, looks awesome nonetheless. Now I only need whatever goes here. It's a T-handle with a small shaft. Okay, something else here. So there's a bar that's supposed to mount here. So you have a safety latch that kind of comes down, latches in. That's this guy right here. It's supposed to be like this, right? So since you can see that this cast mount has cracked and broke, my friend 3D printed me something. This is the sample to fit and decide what we're gonna do for a final product. Pretty good. I gotta drill this rivet out. Oops. Oh, good. Now I gotta drill this one. Here you can see that we had a few iterations of this. This one's all faded from UV damage already. I believe this is our current, most recent version. That fits a lot better, it just goes right on. This is supposed to go in there, yeah. And then this goes through there. Cool. Now this guy should go up. Get it in there. Yeah, the fitment on this one's a lot better. So now I just gotta adjust this hole backwards a little bit more, but for now, at least I have this one single hole. I should be able to use this for now. There, now we have our crossbar. My issue was this was hitting the edge, not going in properly. That's all fixed. Now I can get this up here. I gotta figure out my flag mount and whatnot. I gotta go over to this side and show you my last thing before we go. I have a few of these hoses extra. They're available for sale if you guys are interested for your fire truck. I want to show off my cool shovel. Look at this thing. This is a all 304 stainless shovel. I left the plastic here because I didn't want it to scuff up on the clamp, but this is a real legit JDM shovel. Paid a pretty penny to get this thing shipped over here. I think I went a little bit too far, but that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe for more JDM content like this. There'll be plenty more things to come. What have I done?